In this video, I'm gonna show you how to work with Taskenger. First of all, let's log into it. Here you can see the main page of the program. First of all, we need to add our employees to the system. Click Users and Role Manager. Here you can set the roles of your employees, such as distributor. Below here, you can set what rights each role can have to control Taskenger, such as delete tasks, create new tasks, and so on. In this video, I'm gonna mark all. So, let's create our first role. Register. In the same way, fill all employees' roles of your company. When we have employees' roles, we need to add to the program actual employees and link them to their roles. This you can do it in registration and editing. Click Users, Registration and Editing. Let's register first employee. Fill all the information about your employee. It is very important to type email of a device that particular employee will use. Also, you can link employee to the regions and add to the department. In the same way, add all your employees to the system. Good work! You already created the employees and linked them to their roles. Now we need to add your customers to the database. Click Objects, Customer Manager. Fill all the information about the customer. Also, you can add contacts and site of the company. Register first our client. After we created customers, we have to go to the site manager. For example, if your client has 10 buildings, we have to register all these buildings here in the site manager. Again, click Objects, Site Manager. In this section, we have to list all our clients' buildings we are serving. Select Customer and please fill all the data about clients each building you are serving. Also, you can add contacts. Register first site. In the same way, fill all the locations. To do some tasks, it is necessary to use some resources. Taskenger helps to track what materials were used during the task. So we need to add materials which are being used during the task by our employees. To add materials, first of all, we need to create material groups. Click Materials, Material Group List. Register material group. Let's say we are vending service company. Our resources are snacks, drinks, candies, coffee, etc. So let's create the first material group, snacks. Register. The same way, add all material groups your company uses. After we created material groups, we need to add actual resources which will be used. Click Materials, Material Manager. Here you can add actual materials. So register first one. Let's say it is chips. 1 pack. Also we can set additional options like unit price, material ID, link to the material group, and also set the currency. And we are done. Register. Now we created our material. In the same way, add all materials your company uses. Let's go to the next step, facilities. Often in the same building and for the same company belongs more than one facility, in our case, vending machine. First of all, we need to enter facility type. Click Facilities, Facility Type Manager. Register and enter your facility. In our case, it is like vending machine. Also, you can add survey data and statuses like it is broken, working, and so on. Click Register. After we created the facility type, we need to add actual facilities. Click Facilities, Facility Manager. Fill up all the data of the facility. Select facility type, facility serial number, we can select customer, name site, and so on. So register our facility. Here we are. Enter all your facilities to the system. For now, we are skipping the reports and maps and go straightly to the tasks. Let's create a task for our employee. Click Tasks, Task Type List. Here you can create the task type. As a vending service company, we have such types as refill vending, change vending machines, clean vending, and so on and so on. Let's type refill vending. Below, we have more additional options. such as do your employee needs to take signature, how fast he needs to react to the task, and so on. Also, we have like workflow, materials, and facilities which will be needed to the tasks. When you filled up all the information about your employees, clients, resources, and facilities into the database, you can create and deliver a task within seconds. Let's create the task. Click Task, Task List. Register the task. Select the customer name, task type, refill vending machine, task number, and employee. Dispatch the task to the employee.